Depending upon the type of business you have should dictate what type of business credit card you get. Just like the needs of people vary, so do the needs of various businesses. Depending upon whether or not your business is in sound financial shape or not should affect your credit card requirements as well. Your personal bank will regularly send you applications for their line of credit cards that might include very attractive features and benefits. Each time you get that letter, it will get better. Other companies will send you additional business credit card applications as well. Most small businesses and even large companies will take the credit card they receive first, based entirely on the fact that it came from their banking institution specifically. Before even attempting to compare business credit cards, business owners many times end up applying for these offers because of the recognition and comfort level that the local institution provides them. Although this sounds great, it is not usually the best method. Yes, as a business, you will want a credit card as soon as possible, while other card companies may not know of your existence. While your first business credit card application will typically come from your bank once you have established yourself with the state and federal agencies, however, the application should start pouring in. A new business will have a non-existent credit history. It will also have different needs than established businesses. The business credit card companies know this, and they properly anticipate that new small business owners will be seeking a business credit card sooner than later. This is where the problem comes in, when you want one as soon as possible instead of waiting to properly research and select one. As you may already know, the internet is an invaluable source for information. I do not suggest applying for one until your business is registered with the state and federal agencies. However, you can surely pick and choose those that would be right for your business before those papers are registered. Once you have all your paperwork in hand, apply for the business credit card offer that most closely fits your type of business. Sounds easy enough, right? There are some things to be aware of, however. If you are a new business, the credit card company will look at your personal credit history first. If you are an established company, the credit issuers will draw upon the credit history of the business entity itself, not your personal credit history. One flaw in your business credit history could stop the application dead in its track. If you are the only one in your business or company that uses the business credit card, then I would recommend a business reward credit card. A business reward credit card can be difficult, but not impossible to manage when you have several cards floating around among different employees. Employees holding card might want the reward points for their own personal use, and might not be willing to use the card as often as you'd like them to. This makes it harder to claim who gets what from the incentives. Do you separate out the reward points, or will you use the points yourself? And if so, will others feel bad about you getting the rewards? Of course, you will not have to deal with this issue if it is only you using the card.
Business Credit Masters makes it easy to establish business credit. To obtain your free consultation on how to build business credit and obtain unlimited financing, go to www.businesscreditmasters.com or call 1-888-908-4886.